New merch. Who this? New merch. Who this? New merch. What's good, y'all? Smart boy Beatz, man. Listen, piece of my merch just dropped today. Just came in the mail. I'm stupid excited about it because like this is one that I designed. To me, it's fire, and I know it's fire to y'all too because some of y'all told me. So I'm about to open it. The live unboxing of this whole thing, man. Well, it's not really in a box. It's in a bag, but whatever. Here we go. Just rip into it. So that y'all see. Yeah. Oh, y'all ready? Y'all ready? I ain't ready. Oh my life. This bag, the YOMTM music bag. Bro, this bag is so fire. Yo. Yo, this is crazy. Y'all know. Listen, this is the slogan right here. This is the slogan. You owe more to music. Period. Yo, this is so fire. It looks so good, yo. Like for real. Y'all look at that. Wow. Yeah, I'm not even leaving the house without this anymore. Like I'm gonna really be the most extra person in the room. They'll be like, yo, where you get that bag from, cuz? You know what I'm gonna say. SmartBoyBeatz.com. Yo, this is cold, dog. This is cold. You got a little pouch back here too. You know, open it up. It is big enough for a 15-inch laptop. Nice black interior. My 13-inch MacBook. It's right in there. Get that thing on up. Why? YOMTM music book bag. LiveSmartBoyBeatz.com /shop. Get yours. Don't wait. I'm out.